Okay guys, welcome back to this channel. Today we'll be looking at how to connect your portfolio or your website to Formspree to get email notification. So if someone engaged you via your website, you would get email notification in your mailbox with the information passed in the on the website. Okay, and we'll be looking at Google Analytics, how to track the visit or traffic on your portfolio or your website. We'll be connecting these two guys to what we've already done. I need to mention that this tutorial is a continuation of the tutorial on how to create a professional portfolio using AI. And the last time we created the portfolio, this portfolio using Cloud and ChatGPT. Yes, and so far we have the draft portfolio, and I mentioned to you then that you should customize it, put in your information to ensure that the portfolio speaks to you. We're able to add some projects and some other things. And if you look at this, you see that the portfolio is mobile responsive. So the AI is intelligent enough to make it mobile responsive. Okay, and then we're able to, I mentioned that we covered the creation. We also covered deployment. So we're able to deploy it to Firebase. It is live. If we check, I don't know what name you used to save yours, but if you look at portfolio, okay, I'm just going to come here, straight, and copy the link. So this is hosted online. We covered this in the last session. You see the same website, same portfolio that was deployed. So I'm just going to return to the local environment. I showed you how to connect to local environment. We installed live server, and you just hit go live on your code editor. Okay, now what do we want to do? I mentioned earlier we want to first connect this portfolio to Formspree, so that when you come to contact and someone fills this up and send a message, you get notification. Okay, so how can we get this done? At first, you need to go to formspree.io. I'm just going to click on them so you see that first formspree.io. The link is in the description also, and you create an account because it's your first time. So I'm not going to create another account. I'm just going to sign in so you can do the account creation. Okay, once you're done with that, you sign in. It brings you to a page like this. You're not going to see this chart or anything of such because you don't have a project here. So the first thing you want to do is to add a new project, fill in the project name. So this I have a security tool, Harmony, that checks all my feeds to ensure that anything I'm accessing in the internet is not prone to phishing or to cybersecurity attack. You can check it out. Okay, so let's say this is, or should I just say portfolio contact form, and you just create that project. I'm not going to recreate this. So when you create it, it's going to show something like this. Okay, portfolio contact form, and when you click on it, it's going to show the overview, submission, settings, workflow, and rules, just the way I have it here. So you come down here, you scroll down, you see your endpoint and your unique ID. So this is your ID. Click on view details to view how you can use this. This is where we're going to get information on how to connect the to connect Formspree to our portfolio or our website. Okay, so we have the one for HTML. If you are using a different, if you're using a framework, say React TypeScript, you click on React and you copy what we have here. But for us, we're going to copy the HTML, just copy from the form here. Okay, so put copy and go to ChatGPT. Keep this code here. I will make a request afterwards. Okay. So I'm just going to paste the code. So got it. Let me know how you'd like me to proceed with the request or any modification to the form. Yeah, so this is fine. We'll just go straight to our code editor, go to contact.js page, anywhere you have your contact form. What you need is where the form is located. So if you come here, you can read through, you see we have form here, right? That means the form is starting from this place up onto this place. How do I know this? I can see name, which is the name we have here. I can see email, and this is the email right here. And I can see message, which also represents the message right here. But so that it won't be complicated, I'm just going to copy everything here, Control A, then come to ChatGPT and say, connect this code to Formspree. Connect this code to Formspree. Okay, so I'm going to paste it right here and send it. Yeah, so connecting it to Formspree, we have it right here. It's putting everything together for us. This is so easy. Just think about it, how I was able to build this portfolio right here using AI, and this is my own contact form too. So if I come here and I inspect and go to network and I want to send something, let's say this is John Doe trying to reach me. John Doe at gmail.com, and the message is, I will like us to discuss a project tomorrow. Okay, then tomorrow is okay. So will you be available? Let's assume this is the message right here, and I click on send. If you look at what we have here, you see there's an endpoint that has been called. If I click on it, you see it is Formspree, right? And I just got a notification in my mailbox saying someone is trying to reach me. And if I go to Formspree, click on this form, come to submissions, I can see that there's something from John Doe saying I would like us to discuss it. This is the exact thing that was delivered to my mailbox. You can see showing delivered right here. Okay, so let's go back to OpenAI. We have our form ready. I'm just going to copy the code right away, then Control A, delete whatever we have here, and paste. So we have our website connected to Formspree. So if you just come here and fill the entire thing to, let's say, hello, let's say this from Anna at gmail.com. I can say testing, and I send this showing thank you for your message, I'll get back to you. Okay, so this has also been sent. All right, so that's the first thing we want to look at, connecting your form to Formspree. Okay, so we we are just going to pause it, so you can pause the video and do the testing to be sure everything is fine, and we'll just proceed with the other part of the tutorial, and that is Google Analytics. Okay, so what are we going to do? We'll go to Google Analytics. Okay, so for Google Analytics, how can you get there? You can come to google.com, for example, and right here, when you scroll down, you're going to see Google Analytics. So just click on it, and it will prompt you to probably sign in or do other verification, basically. And once you're done, it's going to bring you straight to your dashboard. I've been able to connect this now, and you can see I have this account here. What you want to do, right, is to come to admin. So click on admin and come to data collection and modification. Click on data streams. Okay, so you're going to click on web to connect your website. And what is our website again? This is it right here, portfolio training.web.com. So you're going to put your own website name. Okay, you don't need to put this /home, and you don't need to put this HTTPS right here because we have it here. It is a secured protocol already. You can give it any name, say my portfolio, and click on this button here, create and continue. Once you do that, it's going to create your account. And if I come home, for example, this is for my own website. Okay, you can see the dashboard that I have some data people visiting my website. So I'm just going to go home and data collection and modification, data streams. So as soon as you create your account, you're going to see something like this, my portfolio with the ID. So when you click on it, it's going to show you this information here. That's the web stream details. You've not connected your website fully to Google Analytics, except you do what I'm going to show you right now. Okay, you come to view tag instruction and click on what we have here, or the arrow button there. So it's going to bring you right here. Click on install manually, and you're going to just copy this code and go back to your code editor. Look for your index.html page. If you have so many HTML files, you will need to paste the code in each of the files. Okay, but luckily for us, most of our files are in JavaScript, and for the index.html, we only have one. Okay, so we need to paste this right under the head. Why am I doing this? If we go back to the instruction right here, it's saying below is the Google tag for this account. Copy and paste it in the code for of every page of your website. Immediately after the head element, yeah. Don't add more than one Google tag to each page. So that's what we have here. And as soon as you copy and paste it, you can run a test. Okay, so not just copying and paste. And let's complete the process. Okay, we have the script pasted here directly under the head. This is the head. Here, you see the initial head tag and the closing head tag. How do I know this closing? There's this slash here showing that it's closing. Just after that, paste the Google Analytics tag. Okay, that's before the body. And save. Okay, so once you save it, you can go ahead to deploy. So Firebase deploy. Firebase deploy. So let's deploy this. Okay, as soon as you deploy it, you're good to go. So let's test. I'm going to test using my own account. So you can also paste your form there too. Okay, so while the deployment is ongoing, just going to paste this and test. So let's run this test to see. You see, it has this check mark that it is connected already. So Our deployment is complete. I'm also going to copy this. Oh, okay. I'm also going to copy this and paste. And that's for the portfolio training. So let's test this. You see, it's showing that this is connected. So you should have this success message from your own end too. And once this is done, you are good to go. Going back to the dashboard, as soon as people visit your website, you'll be able to track, okay, these are the people that have visited my website. You see, this is a new website, and right now I have about 291 account with 34 new users, right, visiting this website. And just in the last 30 minutes, I have 2 people who are active visiting this website in the last 30 minutes. So to get more information about this, you go to report. You go to report, and you see there's a bunch of information showing where people are checking me from. I have a lot of people from Nigeria visiting my website, and a few from Canada. You see that, and you can see the pages viewed. This is for me. This is my own portfolio, and this is a test portfolio right there. That means if you have multiple websites, you can go ahead to connect that to your Google Analytics account. Okay, yeah. So that is it. We've been able to close out everything we intended doing. Good job. You've made it this far. Please let me know if you have any questions, any comments. I'll respond to you right away. Okay, and don't forget to like this video, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. It is very important that you subscribe so you get more videos like this, and also more tips about how to be successful in your career, personal, and other aspects of life, basically, because I'll be rolling out several videos. I have everything ready, or most of the things ready. Okay, thank you so much, and see you in the next one.